Go, Kim! You race with ate. Don't be in a hurry, ate. Use the bumps. Use the bumps. Live cheer ka ba ganyan? Ako parang misali. Ate, so fast. Just hold the rope, darling.
Hold the wrist one in your left. In your left hand. Hold the wrist one in your left.
Sige. Sige, continue doing it. You will not go to zip line if you cannot finish that. You have to finish it. Finish it. What? You scared? You scary cat. You want to go down now? Oh, go down there, ano?